What if you could turn a single photo of yourself into a cinematic World Cup poster using AI? In this video, that is exactly what you are going to learn how to do inside Filmora. Go to Stock Media, then AI Media, then Video Inspiration, and search for Soccer Legend to Be. Several templates will appear. For this example, the one used creates a 3D style World Cup poster. Click the upload icon to add your image. Choose Single Image Mode. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and click Submit. After that, click Generate and wait for the process to finish. You can monitor the progress on screen. Once done, go to My Files and your generated video will be there. Next, place the generated video on the first video layer. Add a keyframe and adjust the scale accordingly. Make sure the character remains the main focal point along with the text, so both stand out clearly and stay visually emphasized throughout the composition. Continue adding the remaining clips. Then go to Titles and search for Defend Your Glory. Several text templates will appear. Use Defend Your Glory 01. Match its duration to the second clip and place it on the fourth layer. Add the text, "Who inspired me?" and delete the Warriors and 2026 text. Next, go to Effects, search for Motion Blur, and apply it to the second clip. Set the blur amount to 13. Then go to Filters and open the Lifestyle category. There are many filters suited for soccer-related videos in here. Select Champion Mode, place it on the second layer starting from the second clip, and extend it to the end of the 8th clip. Set the opacity to 50%. Going back to Filters, search for Soft Glow and place it on the third layer for the same duration as the previous filter. Set the color to 100, glow to 5, and range to 30. Next, go to Effects and search for Blink. Apply the Black Flash Overlay 01, starting from the third clip and extending it to the end of the 8th clip. Set the opacity to 10. After that, select everything except the background music and the first clip, then right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. Go to Animation Out, select Fade Out, and set the duration to 0.78 seconds. For the transition, apply a fade between the first clip and the compound clip, and set the duration to 1 second and 1 frame. Click Render Preview to check the final result, and once everything looks good, click Export to save your video.